Pretoria High Court judge has found herself on the wrong side of the law. Due to appear in court this morning alongside a megachurch leader and two others, the four were arrested last night on charges of alleged corruption and money laundering. Hawks spokesperson Katlego Mogale joins us now live for more details. Colonel, thank you so much for the time. Really appreciate it this morning. I just wanted to ask if you can confirm just when and where the arrests took place and whether they were executed simultaneously. Good morning.
Yes, Arabile, good morning. The arrest was conducted in the Pretoria area, where these four suspects were arrested, including a presiding judge, as well as a leader of a very well-known church. At this stage, we are still collecting some of the other suspects. As soon as all the suspects have been arrested, we will be proceeding to the Serious Commercial Crimes Court in Pretoria for them to answer to charges of corruption as well as money laundering.
So would that mean that they were arrested at their homes or offices or another place?
Mostly they were arrested at their homes.
All right.
One is in Hartbees and the others are within several suburbs in Pretoria.
Are you able to clarify whether there were any complications or resistance occurring during the takedown operation?
This has been an operation that has been going on for a while. We have had a few setbacks where the suspects were not around Gauteng, and as soon as we had that they are in Gauteng, then we proceeded to make sure that each and every suspect has been arrested and is able to answer to the courts.
All right, so no resistance and complications then, assumedly there. Were there any additional materials seized, whether that be documents, devices, cash, etc.?
That is a standard procedure, and as I have already said, this is an investigation that has been going on for a while, so that when we put this case before court, we already have our ducks in a row.
Yeah, you made note of how this had been a long-standing case. Did it come to you by way of a whistleblower by any chance, or has this just been an area in which investigations led to this by chance?
It emanates from a case that is still sitting in the civil court in the Pretoria High Court, where information we did receive that there is untoward processes that are going on with the civil case.
Yeah, how long was this investigation running prior to these arrests?
The investigation has started as far as 2022. Where we were trying to get hold of what exactly is transpiring within those dockets that are before court. And you can appreciate the difficulty that it would be that we would not be able to trust everyone that's within the system to assist.
Are you anticipating any further arrests in this regard?
At this stage, we were looking at 5 targets, and thus far we have 4 already in custody. Hopefully during the day, the 5th one will come forward.
All right. I know the statement also mentions a money trail in the millions of rands. Can you elaborate by any chance how the funds were allegedly moved between the suspects?
At this stage, it is too early to divulge that information, but can do say that the money was being transacted between the 5 individuals.
Yeah, okay, and I fully understand that. And I suppose without naming individuals, because they haven't appeared in court and are said to only do so later today as well, are you able to clarify how the church's succession dispute intersects at all with the alleged corruption?
That also, Arabile, will be divulged as soon as we get the gist of what this trial is about.
Yeah. What about the church institution itself? Is that under investigation?
Not at this stage. We will let the investigation dictate as to what route do we take and who is involved.
Yeah. Let's also get a sense of whether did investigators verify that a presiding judge had accepted the gratification. How was that actually, how was that verified, if you don't mind me asking?
That was verified through the financial investigations that we have conducted.
All right. And just as another one, if I may go into it, the charges that each suspect is expected to face in court today? Would those just be the case of money laundering, etc., as you've noted in the statement?
Yes, some will be facing charges of corruption and money laundering, and others will be charged with money laundering.
Yeah, all right. Fantastic. Thank you so much for the time then, Colonel Katlego Mokgalele, joining us to help us dissect exactly this major case that has now broken. It is the mega church leader and judge arrested in the saga. 4 people in total. The anticipation was for 5. We're hoping to get further details in this regard. Thank you so much for the time. We'll get you more details throughout the show.